Hey everybody, John DeRosa with Bridgeport Worldwide. Today, we're going to talk about a brand new lock that we're introducing for the pivot door. As you know, we've been spending a lot of time with our Fritz Jurgen's pivot hardware, the System M and the System M Plus, distributing it throughout North America to door manufacturers who are making big, beautiful pivot doors with this hinge. We're also busy finding other products, other high-performance products to round out the pivot door opening, like this high-performance drop seal by Atmer of Germany with a ball-bearing actuator button that glides smoothly along the jamb. These are being used at the bottom and the top. It gets you that high-performance seal on the pivot door. Most of these pivot doors that we're seeing are using bar pulls instead of lever handles. We're providing our bar pulls from Halliday & Bailey of New Zealand and Fuhr of the Netherlands. And when you put a bar pull on these pivot doors, you got to think about the lock that you're using. From a basic perspective, a simple deadbolt and a big bar pull makes perfect sense. And put a couple of ball catches at the top and bottom or magnets, and you have a simple, basic setup for your pivot door. But if you want to go high performance, you need a multi-point lock for that pivot door. And we have found this brilliant multi-point lock designed specifically for doors with pulls, aka the pivot door, by Fuhr of Germany. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about the 855 GL roller lock multi-point by Fuhr. Okay, starting out with this 855 GL, let's talk about the lock body itself. What's different about this multi-point lock versus traditional multi-point locks is that the cylinder throws the bolts. The lever handle does not throw the bolts on this lock. It's entirely powered by the profile cylinder. The locks come to us with the standard latch bolt. It can be used for traditional doors with a lever handle, but we're also providing the roller latch, which you simply swap out with a little screw right here. This slides out, stick the roller latch in, and now this lock is ready for a door with a pull. All right, so as we mentioned earlier, these multi-point locks are powered entirely by the cylinder and not by the lever handle. So this cylinder actuation has to be super smooth, and this is. I'm envisioning using a key on this lock or the thumb turn on the inside, and this is just super smooth. You can see how easy it is to turn, and you have this really wonderful gear in here. And I'm throwing the deadbolt, and I'm also throwing the points, the locking devices. Real super smooth and very nice. Okay, as we continue to learn more and more about this 855 GL roller lock multi-point, we're also learning more about the options and configurations that it can come in. And so starting out, the face plates. So these are 24 millimeter flat face plates designed for wood doors or metal doors with a Euro groove of 24 millimeters. This faceplate is also available in a U-shaped faceplate for surface mounted applications, also for a wood or a metal door. The locking device options, there's 3 locking device options with this multi-point: hook only, hook and double point, and there's also a version that's a single point. These strike plates here are the individual strike plates. There's also an option for a full-length singular strike plate, which I think is pretty interesting, and it might make installation a little easier. As far as back sets are concerned, these 2 samples that we have here, this is a 35 millimeter back set, this is a 45 millimeter back set. We understand 55 is available, and other back sets are available on request. So that's the 855 GL by Fuhr, the roller lock multi-point for the pivot door or doors with pulls. Thanks for watching.